Whiteboard animation software are invaluable tools for creating engaging and informative videos that grab attention, engage audiences, and communicate ideas more creatively. Whether you're a teacher, marketer, salesperson, or content creator, this software elevates your storytelling and conveys your message effectively to your audience. However, with several animation tool options now available, each offering different features and functionalities, it's hard to pinpoint which would be the best whiteboard animation software for your needs. This is why we assess the top 5 whiteboard animation software based on various factors, like their enhanced engagement capabilities, versatility, template libraries, high-powered features, and real-life customer feedback. We will also provide you with the best, most trusted, and most affordable alternative platform where you can get the best professionals who will help you create stunning animations for your sales video, tutorials, social media, or even product launch videos if you decide not to go about it yourself at all. So stick with us until the end of the video to uncover the best 5 free whiteboard animation software that are tailored differently according to your needs and preferences. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and also check the description below to try any of these software for free. Without further ado, here are the top 5 free whiteboard animation software currently available. Number 5. Toonly. Best whiteboard animation software for making product launch videos. Toonly is a remarkable animation software that stands out for its character-driven storytelling features, making it ideal for creating compelling product launch videos. With Toonly's massive library of customizable characters and backgrounds, you can create animation scenes that hit viewers right in the feels. The platform's drag-and-drop functionality, along with access to built-in royalty-free music and easy voiceover integration, make it accessible for users at all skill levels. What makes Toonly stand out is its professionally drawn characters and props that are so easy to bring to life. You can tweak characters' expressions, outfits, and movements until they're perfect for your story, giving your product launch videos that extra flair. This will make your product practically live and breathe in a story that is tailor-made for your audience. With Toonly, you will be able to craft a narrative that explains your product and also invite your viewers to experience it. So, if you want a video that hooks people from the get-go, Toonly's characters have got your back. Beyond its character-driven focus, Toonly is designed with business goals in mind. The platform's white labeling capabilities support brand consistency in product launches. This combination of ease of use, storytelling potential, and visual appeal makes Toonly a top choice for businesses looking to captivate audiences with powerful, character-centered product launch videos. Number 4. Explaindio. Best for making marketing and sales presentation videos. Explaindio is a powerhouse for creating marketing and sales presentations, especially if you're looking to mix and match animation styles to captivate your audience. Known for its multi-format animation support, Explaindio lets you seamlessly blend whiteboard, 2D and 3D animations all in one place, giving you the freedom to switch up styles and keep your presentations visually dynamic. Whether you're going for a polished 3D visual or a casual whiteboard sketch, Explaindio offers a drag-and-drop interface that makes professional-level video creation easier than ever. Explaindio's multi-format support gives you the tools to tell a story that resonates with your audience. With a huge selection of characters, backgrounds, kinetic text options, and transitions, you can easily create unique, engaging animations that take your sales presentations to the next level. By combining this character animation with doodle sketching and 3D elements, Explaindio helps you create videos that break up complex information into digestible, attention-grabbing visuals. You can also import 3D assets, control keyframe animations, and adjust the timeline to achieve the perfect flow in your presentation. Explaindio's high-quality export options and green screen support give your finished videos a polished, professional look that can easily be shared across various platforms. This makes Explaindio an unmatched choice for anyone looking to boost their marketing impact. Number 3. Animate. Best for making social media and promo videos. Mango Animate's versatile graphics and customization features make it the best tool for creating high-quality whiteboard animations for social media and promotional videos. With Mango Animate, you get access to a massive library of professionally designed, customizable templates that help you create content that looks polished right from the start. You can then adjust each template to fit your brand and message using the Mango's drag-and-drop editor. Unlike many tools that limit you to basic whiteboard features, Mango Animate lets you add animation paths, adjust speeds, and tweak layer timings to give each scene a unique flow. These features are a huge win for creating promo videos with a story-driven feel or social media content that keeps viewers engaged from start to finish. Because Mango is designed with social media in mind, it's optimized to make sharing content easy. You can export in multiple formats with platform-specific aspect ratios so your animations look crisp and clear on any feed. So, if you're looking to create professional-grade animations that stand out on social media, Mango Animate offers the perfect blend of ease, quality, and versatility. Number 2. Doodlemaker. Best for making business explainer videos. Doodlemaker's high text-to-speech and multi-language support features has made it the ideal tool for businesses aiming to create impactful explainer videos. With Doodlemaker's high-powered text-to-speech engine, you can create animated content that speaks directly to a global audience without needing a separate voiceover artist. You can transform any script into natural-sounding narration in over 60 languages, helping you tailor your message to different demographics. This makes Doodlemaker perfect if your business wants to engage diverse audiences or expand into new markets. One of the most impressive aspects of Doodlemaker is its flexibility in creating professional quality doodle animations that hold viewers' attention. Whether you're creating a whiteboard, blackboard, or glass board-style animation, Doodlemaker's drag-and-drop interface and extensive library of doodle images, characters, and icons offer you plenty of creative options to convey your message effectively. The software also includes special animation and transition effects, allowing you to make each scene dynamic and engaging. For businesses focused on branding, Doodlemaker's robust customization options let you adjust each element, from text animations to hand styles. You can even import your images and audio files, giving you complete control over the look and feel of your content. Number 1. Doodly. Best whiteboard animation software for making educational tutorials and training videos. Doodly is an exceptional choice for creating tutorials and training videos, especially due to its unique customizable hand styles feature. This feature lets you add a personalized touch by choosing from a variety of hand styles, including different genders, skin tones, and even sleeve types to match the tone and message of your content. Whether you want a formal feel or a casual, relatable approach, Doodly's hand options help you set the right mood for your tutorials, making it easy to engage and connect with your viewers on a deeper level. Beyond its customizable hand styles, you can select from a vast library of pre-made characters, props, and backgrounds to illustrate concepts effectively. This makes Doodly invaluable for making educational content where clarity is key. With different canvas options like whiteboard, blackboard, glassboard, and even green board, you can tailor each video to the learning environment or topic you're covering, adding visual interest and variety. For a complete tutorial experience, Doodly offers audio editing tools that let you add background music, record voiceovers, or use text-to-speech, all within the software. This means you can produce polished videos from start to finish without needing external audio tools. All these combination of customizable visuals and sound makes Doodly the go-to platform for anyone looking to create effective, interactive educational videos that capture and retain viewers' attention. In addition, if you're new to outsourcing video projects and want professional quality whiteboard animations, without getting into the technical details, Fiverr is a great place to start. On Fiverr, you can easily find experienced freelancers specializing in whiteboard animations. Each freelancer has a profile detailing their work style, portfolio, pricing, and delivery times, which gives you a clear sense of what to expect. You can also filter the freelancers by budget, deadline, and animation style to find the right fit for you, even if you're on a tight schedule. Also, you can directly message freelancers to discuss your project details. Clarify your vision and ensure they understand your requirements. Fiverr's buyer protection also ensures that your payment is only released when you're satisfied with the work, which is especially reassuring if you're new to outsourcing. In conclusion, when choosing the right animation software, it is important to consider the type of animations and videos you will most likely be making. For instance, if you are aiming to create stunning animations for launching your products, Toonly stands as a great option due to its storytelling tools. Explaindio, on the other hand, supports multi-format marketing presentations, while Mango is ideal for social media videos. For business and sales explainer videos, Doodlemaker offers high-powered voiceovers, while Doodly excels in educational content with its customizable hand styles. However, if you prefer outsourcing, Fiverr connects you with skilled freelancers to bring your vision to life. You can check the link in the description below to try any of these software for free and get access to premium tools that will help improve your animations. If you enjoyed this video, kindly leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future uploads.